Here we have to design and analysis a tall building. The data given, beam and the column size are given. The column 500 into 500, 550 into 550, 600 into 60, and the beam size this. And the grade of concrete is M40 given, and the steel HYSD 500, and the mild steel 250 rebar, and the slab thickness is 150 mm, and the cladding load 0.2 kilonewton per meter. Wind load considered parameter in the Bangalore. Here total 23 story building. Here the 1 to 8 story live load given for that 5 kilonewton per meter square, and the form 9 to 14 the live load 0.5 kilonewton per meter square given, and from the story 15 to 19 live load 4 kilonewton per meter square given, and for the 20 to 23rd story the live load is 3.5 kilonewton per meter square given. Let's go to the software. Go to file, select new model, display unit, metric SI, steel section database Indian, steel design code IS 800 2007, and concrete design code will be IS 456 2000. After selecting IS code, click on OK. Then number of grid line in X and Y direction will be 4 respectively. Spacing of grid in X and Y direction 6 respectively. Number of story will be 23. Go to custom story data, edit story data, and make master story number 9. Similarly, story 14 will be master story. Similarly, story 19 will be master story. Then make similar to that of the master story 19, story 19. After all done, click on OK. Grid only select and OK. Now we will give the properties material. Go to material property, define material. For the concrete, take material type concrete, Indian standard code, and the grade M40 as per question. Then OK. Add again new property for the steel. Select rebar type, material type, and the steel 500. OK. Again for the mild steel 250. OK. OK. Now go to the define section property, frame section, and add a new property concrete rectangular. For the column, give the property name for the column C and the size of the column given in the question, 500 into 500. Select material M40, give the dimension, go to modify row, column, select longitudinal bar, okay, okay, and again add copy of the material, give the property name, column 550 into 550, and dimension, depth and width 550 into 550. Modify show rebar, same, okay, okay. Again for the column size 600 into 400, 600, sorry, all done, okay, okay. Now go to new, add new property. In special section select auto select list, give the name, column auto select, and the design type concrete, select all the three size, okay. Again for the beam select concrete rectangular, and the beam size given in question 500 into 300. Material select give spacing 25 mm for the beam, okay. Add new property for the beam, five 50 into 350, okay. Then again for the beam size of 600 into 400, enter size, okay. Go to the add new property, in special section select auto select list, give the name beam auto select, select all the three beam size and add to the auto select list, then click on ok. Go to define section property and slab section, here add new property for the slab, give name slab 150, material 140, and slab thickness 150, okay. Then again okay. Then go to the story number 1, select all the similar story, go to the draw quick draw column and make sure property should be select column auto select, and assign draw all as per the question. Again for the beam similarly select select a quick draw beam, make sure property will be auto select and drag. Again go to for the floor slab property M50, 150 slab thickness, drag all, select. For the different story go to the story second section, go to the story number 9, here we will apply column beam and the floor as per desired. Go to the draw quick draw beam, big column, and drag. Similarly for the beam add floor, select quick draw floor, make sure property slab empty, drag as per desired. Again go to upper story, anyone of from the master story. Draw quick draw column, make sure property auto select and draw. Similarly, quick draw beam, drag. Similarly for the floor, quick draw floors, drag and place the floor. You can also select from this shortcut. Again go to the upper story, similarly we will apply column beam and the floor. Quick draw beam, drag and draw beam. Similarly for the slab, now go to the story 1. Select all the floor for applying the load. Go to shell load uniform and apply the dead load of 2 kN per meter square as given in the question. Type 2 and apply. OK. As you can see, dead load has been applied. Go to the above story. Now here we will apply live load of 5 kN per given in the question for that particular story. Go to the story 9 and apply. Select the all the floors. Go to shell load uniform and load pattern name live and the load of 4 kN per meter square. Apply on that selected shell. OK. Load applied. Then go to story 15. Select all the shell load uniform and apply live load of 4 kN per meter square and apply. OK. Load applied. Go to story 21. Select both shell and and apply the live load of 3.5 kN per meter square. Then click on OK. Load applied. again select all the exterior beam of the building for applying the cladding load. Make sure you select the similar story option at the bottom right. Select carefully all the exterior beam of the building. Go to assign, shade, frame load distributed and uniform load at bottom, type 0.2 kilonewton per meter square, then apply and OK. As you can see, load applied on exterior beam. Similarly, go to story 12 and select all the exterior beam of the building. Here we will apply the cladding, uniform cladding load. Go to load frame distributed and same load apply on that selected beam. Then again go to above story. Select all the exterior beam. And apply same cladding load. 0.2 kilonewton per meter. Again apply load applied. Similarly, go to above story. Select all the exterior beam and apply the same load of 0.2 kilonewton per meter. Here load applied. Then go to story 23. Select all the exterior beam of above story and delete the cladding load. Make sure you selected one story and delete the existing load and OK. Here you can see load deleted, cladding load deleted. Then go to base of that tall building. Now here we will assign the joint. Select all the joint by dragging. Go to assign joint restraints and select fixed and OK and apply. Joints applied. Then go to auto cladding, select use flow and OK. Here auto cladding you can see. Then go to load pattern and type load wind and the type wind. and select the lateral load of IS 875 1987 and add it. Then here we have to put the wind speed of the Bangalore because we are designing building in Bangalore. Then for this you have to refer IS code. Here the wind speed of the Bangalore is 33 meter per second and the terrain category 3 and the structure class will be C because height of the building is above 50 meter. Risk factor take 1 and the topography factor 1 as per the IS code. Then click on OK. Then close this. Then go to elevation view, select A. Now here we will apply the wind load. Select the all the section of the floor, and here we will apply wind load on that section. From the IS code, from this table you can see that our height of building is 69 meter and the width is 18 meter. So it will lies in third row. And all the values here you can see for A, B, C, D section side. Select the all the go to assign shell load and the wind pressure coefficient and enter the value of coefficient 0.8 windward. Apply. OK. Load applied. Then close. Now we apply on this side. For that go to elevation plan, elevation view, set B, OK, and select the all the section of that. Select all the floor. After selecting, go to assign frame shell load wind pressure and same coefficient apply. Windward. Go to any story for load that applied. You can see load applied. Now go to elevation plan, select section D, click on OK. Select the all the shell of each floor where the wind pressure will apply. Go to assign wind pressure coefficient and type 0.25 leanward, then OK. Load applied. Then go to section elevation, select 1, click on OK. Select the all the shell of each floor and go of all the view 1, 2, 3, 4. After selecting, we will apply load, wind load on that. For that, go to assign and type -0.8 lean word. Okay, now load applied. After done, now go to the story 1. As you can see, all the load from all direction has been applied. You can click on extruded option to see like this structure. Before analyzing, save model and go to analyze and run analysis. It will take while you as analysis run, go to the concrete frame design and start design check. Here 705 concrete frame. So again run analysis and the design. It will automatically run. Just click on S. Design running. Again design running, because the sum beams or the column may not as per the defined. Again is showing the two beam or any frame not as per. Then click on S and again analyzing and design automatically. Again one section is showing. Click on S and run analysis and design. It will automatically again showing one, then click on OK. As you can see, design completed. For the report, you can verify all member passed. Here message shows for the report, go to the report, click on the project report. Here you can see the all the data of the building. Thank you for watching.